3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the other arm. Put it in the other hand, Willow. Put it in the other hand. Put it in this one. Here, hold it with this one. Like that. And then hold it. Now put this hand. Look. Now, get ready. Come on. You got to lift it up. Ready, Jess? Get over there. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Go, Willow. 4. Go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now let's show Daddy muscles. Show Daddy your muscles. Say, Jess, go over there.
I don't see Daddy.
I'm going to send it to Daddy on a video like a picture. Willow. Say, show Daddy your muscles. Okay, show Daddy your muscles. Do the other arm. Say, Willow, show Daddy you know how to kick. Kick. Do it again, Jess. Go back there and do it again. Good job. Willow, say yeah. Are you shy now? Okay. Good job. Good job. Now show Daddy your muscles. Show Daddy strong face. Yeah. Say Willow. Say it. No, you don't want to?
No.
Okay. Say I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Willow, tell Daddy you love him or you're going to make him sad. Say I love you, Daddy. You love Daddy? You tired? You love your dad? Yeah. Daddy is the best daddy in the world? Yes. Say, Daddy, you're the best dad ever. Can you say that for me? Just stop. Say, you're the best dad ever. He can't hear you. You got to say it louder. You're going to make him sad. Say, you're the best dad ever. Say it again, Jess. Say it, Willow. You can do it. You're my big girl. Say, best daddy ever. She said it, Josh. If you can't hear it, I'm sorry, but she's being shy now. Say it a little louder. Say, best daddy ever. You hush, Jess. Let her do it, okay? Let her do it. Say, best. High five. That was awesome. You don't want a high five? Okay. High five. All right. High five. All right. You don't have to. All right. Now let's say bye-bye. Say bye to Daddy because this is a long video. Okay, have a good day at work.
Have a good day at work.
Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
All right.